Alright, so this is what happens when you put a bag of chips in the microwave. These things are nasty. They're baked Doritos. Completely freaking disgusting. Hold on. I'm gonna wash out the crumbs. Whoa! It almost turned into a bad idea. What the heck was that? I don't care. Where is the dish under the... Here we go. Alright. It's empty. Maybe 2 crumbs left, and they're all wet, so I don't feel like messing with them. So... eight. Well, that was just freaking amazing. That was... Oh my god, that was cool. That was... that was epic. Oh my god. Alright, hang on, let me leave it in there for a little longer. The top isn't all the way done. Crap. Whatever, I'm gonna leave it in there until I say it's done. Oh, that was... Whoa, that was cool. Okay. So, 18 seconds did it from whoa. I do not recommend leaving it in there for 18 seconds. I really don't. That was a bad idea. Ow. Ow. Okay. That is very bad. It's all melted. And more melted than it should be. I'm gonna try and get it out. Oh crap, it used. Epic fail. What was going to be an epic win was an epic fail. I think I might get another bag and do it. Make a little... Ah! Ow. Good lord, that hurt. Melted to my friggin' thumb. Look how miniature it is. It's also very, very hot and sticky. Okay. Well, whatever. I might do it with some more.